Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today topic is determination of equation of motion from velocity time graph of uniform accelerated motion. This is for class 11 physics. I have already discussed it, how we can calculate the equations of motion. These are three equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus 1 half of at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We have already proved it, we have calculated from calculus approach, but both the methods are in our syllabus. We have to derive these equations by calculus approach, that was in the previous class, and today we will derive these equations of motion from graph. Which graph? Velocity time graph of uniformly accelerated motion. Before moving ahead, I have already told you in previous classes regarding the calculation of acceleration from velocity time graph, if you remember this. And I have also calculated velocity from position time graph, acceleration from velocity time graph. I hope you remember this. We will again suppose this is a graph, you know this. This is time is represented along x-axis and velocity is represented along y-axis. The graph so formed here is called velocity time graph. This is the graph, velocity time. It is a straight line. If you अगर आपको फिर ये बनाना है, आपको ऐसे करना है. सपोज दिस इज velocity here, this is time t, ये velocity है यहाँ v, ये यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं y एक्सिस पे. This is suppose the initial velocity of the body. Suppose this is the reference point, origin where we start. This is also called a reference point. Suppose it is 0. That means here time in this here time starts from 0 and velocity also starts from 0 here. That velocity of body here at the reference point, velocity is also 0, time is also 0. That the body is having initial velocity. Suppose here the body is having initial velocity in time 0, and it is when it is having a uniformly accelerated motion. I hope you have remembered that class. We will get a straight line when we draw the graph between time and velocity. Velocity is changing, but it is producing a uniform acceleration. After every interval of time, which we take the interval of time. I hope you remember that class. We will get a straight line here. This is the straight line. This is the initial. We suppose this is initial velocity. This is initial velocity u. And here, how can get a final velocity here? This is we draw here we draw perpendiculars on time axis. Suppose when we draw the perpendicular, it gives me a time coordinate, and I draw here perpendicular. मैं रेड में दिखाऊंगा perpendicular on this velocity axis. This gives me the velocity. This is the point. It has two coordinate. Its time coordinate is here t. Its time is t here, and its velocity is v. Initially, the velocity of body is u at time 0. This straight line. This is the straight line. This describes the graph of this is the velocity time graph of uniformly accelerated motion. How we can derive from this graph equations of motion? मैं यहाँ कर लूँगा. मैं यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर इस पे डाल रहा हूँ, परपेंडिकुलर डाल रहा हूँ. इस पे थोड़ा नाम लिखूँ. सपोज दिस इज बी, दिस इज डी, सपोज दिस इज ई. This is time coordinate. Time here. Time coordinate means from origin to this point E. The time taken by body is t. This is the time t. This is time t. From this point, suppose I name this point. Suppose this is A, and this point is C. From 0 to A, this is the velocity coordinate. Velocity is u. From this point to this point is u. यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो velocity है ये v के बराबर है. v के बराबर 0 से c की तरफ velocity है, ये v के बराबर है. This is final velocity v. How can we can this is the coordinate with velocity coordinate. ये time coordinate इसका. Every point के दो coordinates हैं, time coordinate and velocity. That means this point is have two coordinates. If you write here t v, that means it is time coordinate is t and velocity coordinate is v. We have to derive the equations of motion. We can again suppose an object is moving in a straight line with a uniform acceleration, because there is a, when there is a change in velocity, acceleration can, but it is uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration ko every interval of time, which interval of time we take, there is same change, same acceleration is produced every interval of time. Suppose if I take a time interval of 2 minutes or 3 minutes, acceleration, same acceleration is produced. That means when acceleration is produced, there is a change in velocity. So change in velocity, suppose velocity change from u to v. I have, if you remember the previous lecture, I have discussed in detail in that case how can we find out the acceleration from the velocity time graph. Suppose body is having producing a uniform acceleration, that the initial velocity of your body is u. During u is the initial velocity, its time is, the time is 0. Suppose it is velocity and time. When the body is having initial velocity, its time is 0, and finally the velocity of body change from u to v during time 0 to t. 0 to t मतलब what time duration from the change in velocity takes place when the velocity changes from body. When the velocity of a body changes from u to v, it is during its time change from 0 to t. When it is velocity, it covers a distance. It covers a distance. Suppose the distance covered by body during this time interval is s. During this time interval is s. If you look towards the figure, velocity time graph, this here OA, it is the velocity coordinate from reference point to A, OA. अगर हम फिगर की तरफ देखेंगे OA इज इक्वल टू दिस ED, E से D, the ED. This is initial velocity U. If you remember, OA is equal to ED is equal to U, and OC, O पे C तो जो velocity है, it is equal to EB, it is equal to V. If you see towards the figure, OA initial velocity है, यहाँ से initial velocity है. Every coordinate, whether it is velocity coordinate or time coordinate, is measured from the reference point, from the origin. OA is equal to ED is equal to U, OC distance is EB is equal to V, and OE is equal to AD, OE is equal to AD. ये किसके बराबर है? टाइम के बराबर. You should remember this. Now we will try to solve the equations of motion. Graphical method. आपने इससे पहले calculus approach, आप हम graphically derive करेंगे. When you first you see the towards first equation, that is v is equal to u plus, we will try to solve it. V is equal to u plus at, where you know that v is the final velocity of the body, u is the initial velocity of the body, t is the time, and a is the acceleration produced. We know that if you remember the previous lecture, I have shown velocity time graph. This is uniformly accelerated motion. This acceleration is equal to slope of the graph. If you remember, slope, this divided by this is called slope. If you remember the previous lecture, we know that acceleration A is equal to slope of velocity time graph. Velocity, what is velocity time graph? Velocity time graph is here AB. This is velocity time graph. That is AB. Slope of AB. Slope of AB. If you look toward the, this is the slope. BD divided by AD. BD divided by AD is the slope of graph. If you remember, BD divided by AD. Slope कैसे निकालते हैं? This divided by this is equal to that. Acceleration is equal to BD divided by AD. Name this first. Acceleration is equal to this BD. If you look towards the figure, BD can be written as EB minus ED. EB minus ED. BD is equal to EB minus ED divided by AD. Or we can get A is equal to, what is EB minus ED? That is equal to BD. Already divided इसका AD. If you already मैंने आपको बताया ऊपर EB किसके बराबर थे? If you remember, EB is equal to OC, that is called final velocity. मैंने already आपको बताया EB is equal to OC is equal to final velocity. That means V minus ED आप देखो ये U के बराबर है. यहाँ पे फिगर में भी दिखाओ ED is equal to OA is equal to U minus U. AD, if you look towards the AD किसके बराबर? AD is equal to OE. यहाँ देखो फिगर में OE is equal to AD is equal to time. ये time coordinate divided by T. Ultimately we get, if we solve this equation, we get v minus u is equal to at, v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion we have derived it graphically. I hope you have got this. Now we can move to another equation of motion, that is s is equal to ut plus 1/2 of at square. Distance is equal to initial velocity time. You know that symbols have their useful meaning. Now how can we find out distance? If you remember the distance covered, this is the distance covered. If you remember, I have shown it in the previous this is the distance covered. This is s is equal to, that means area of, what is this figure? This is the trapezium. area of trapezium, area of मैं लिखूंगा ये किसके बराबर है, एरिया OABE. But I can split this area into two figures. This is the area of rectangle plus area of triangle. If you look towards the figure, OABE, it is equal to area of rectangle OADE plus ADB. S is equal to area of OADE plus area of triangle. What is triangle? ADB. area of OADE plus area of ADB. यहाँ देखो, this figure is split into two figures. One is rectangle plus triangle. S is equal to, what is the area of OAD? That is rectangle. It is length into breadth. If you see, that means OA into OE, plus, what is the area of triangle? It is right angle is 1/2 of base into altitude. 1/2 of, what is base here? Base is here AD. If you look towards it, AD into BD. If I look towards here, it is equal to S is equal to, what is the value of OA? OA. You are already calculated. OA is equal to U. It is time here. Initial velocity. OA is equal to U plus, into OE. If you look, I have already calculated. OE is equal to T. OE ये figure यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये T के बराबर UT plus 1/2 of, what is the value of AD? AD is also T. This OE is equal to T. This is also T. The T. अब BD के बारे में, BD, now we can find out here BD. If you remember into BD, if you remember, acceleration is equal to slope of graph, that is BD divided by AD. Or we can write here BD is equal to A into AD. You know that AD, A से D तक ये डिस्टेंस क्या है? ये टाइम है. 0 to T ये टाइम है. 0 to E is equal to AD is equal to time. Go BD is equal to A into T. BD किसके बराबर है? 80. When I substitute in the above equation, acceleration, you know that acceleration is equal to slope of the graph. Here acceleration is equal to BD divided by AD. This is slope of the graph. But BD का वैल्यू मुझे निकालना है. BD is equal to AD into A. AD is equal to OE और AD A के बराबर, टाइम के बराबर है. That means BD is equal to 80. When I substitute in the above, I get S is equal to U into T, UT plus 1/2 of T ZB 80. BD का वैल्यू 80. S is equal to UT plus 1/2 of 80 square. This is another equation of motion. That means you have to, this is called area of OAB. You have to split the area into two triangles. One is area of rectangle, one is area of triangle. Area of rectangle is called length into breadth. उसको 1/2 of base into altitude. उधर BD का मसला है. BD हम कैसे निकालेंगे? You know that BD can be calculated because slope of the graph. Slope acceleration हो गया BD divided by AD. You know that. Instead of BD, I can write A into AD. AD time के बराबर है. When we substitute it, ultimately I get this equation. Now we can move to the last equation. That is V square minus u square is equal to 2as. अगेन डिस्टेंस किसके बराबर है? एरिया ऑफ ट्रिपिज्म. मैं सीधा लिखूंगा ट्रिपिज्म के कौन सा है? अगर मैं ट्रिपिज्म की तरफ देखूंगा, ट्रिपिज्म यहाँ है OABE. OAB सारी फिगर में एक एक करके नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मैं स्प्लिट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एक ही फिगर में ले रहा हूँ. OABE, दैट मीन्स OABE. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रिपिज्म? 1/2 सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स. ये साइड और ये साइड पैरेलल है, दैट मीन्स BE या EB प्लस OA को sum of parallel sides multiplied the distance between them. The distance between them is OE or AD, which you look OE or AD is multiplied by OE. When I suppose O 1/2 EB is equal to OC, ये V के बराबर है. मैंने ऑलरेडी ये बनाया. EB is equal to OC is equal to V. मैं लिखूँगा V प्लस OA is equal to ED. यहाँ मैं दिखाऊंगा OA is equal to ED, ये U के बराबर है प्लस U मल्टीप्लाई OE या टाइम के बराबर है. मगर अगर मैं इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन की तरफ देखूँ, इसमें टाइम का जिक्र है ही नहीं, इसलिए मुझे चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ये कैसे मैं चेंज करूँगा? टाइम में कैसे चेंज करूँगा? OE का, दैट मीन्स OE के बदले मुझे time can be written in another form. How we can write? If I again see towards the slope of the graph, acceleration किसके बराबर है? BD divided by AD. मगर AD किसके बराबर है? If you remember, AD किसके बराबर है? AD OE के बराबर है. AD OE के बराबर है. इसका मतलब मैं लिखूंगा A is equal to BD डिवाइड बाई OE को मुझे चेंज करना है. यहाँ से यहाँ मैं लगाऊंगा, इसका मतलब ये हो गया OE इज इक्वल टू BD डिवाइड बाई A. मगर मैं BD जो देखूंगा, BD किसके बराबर है? EB माइनस ED. ऑलरेडी मैंने ऊपर दिखाया EB माइनस ED डिवाइड बाई A. इसका मतलब ये हो गया ABD डिवाइड बाई AD. मगर मुझे टाइम को चेंज करना है. BD डिवाइड बाई AD इज इक्वल टू OE इन द फिगर. ये AD और OE बराबर होता है, इसलिए AD के बदले में OE मुझे निकालना है. OE इज इक्वल टू BD डिवाइड बाई A. और BD खुद अगर आप फिगर में देखो, BD इज इक्वल टू EB माइनस ED. EB V के बराबर है. आपने ऑलरेडी मैं 2-3 बार EB V के बराबर है, ED U के बराबर है. इसका मतलब ये हो गया V minus U divided by A. When we substitute this instead of OE, when we substitute V minus U divided by A, our equation will become S is equal to 1/2 V plus U into V minus U divided by A. इस जब मैं सॉल्व करूँगा, ये 2A यहाँ इसका मतलब है 2AS is equal to V plus U into V minus, ये A प्लस B इंटू A बन गए A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर, वो V स्क्वायर माइनस U स्क्वायर. अल्टीमेटली वी गेट V स्क्वायर माइनस U स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2AS. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई होप यू हैव गॉट इट. दैट इज आई हैव. थैंक यू वेरी मच.